In this video, you'll learn how to mail merge in Gmail. By the end, you'll be able to send a personalized email to many people at once without having to copy and paste the same message over and over. First, start by opening Gmail in your browser and signing in to the account you want to use. It's best to do this on a computer rather than a phone or tablet because the tools we'll use are easier to access on a larger screen. Once you're in your inbox, make sure everything is working normally and that you can send and receive emails as usual. This will save you time later if something needs to be fixed. Next, you'll need a way to use Mail Merge with Gmail. You can do this either through Google's built-in tools or by installing a trusted add-on. If you want to stay entirely within Google's ecosystem, the most common approach is to use Google Sheets alongside Gmail. Some users also choose an add-on from the Google Workspace marketplace that is specifically designed for mail merges. If you go that route, look for good reviews, clear documentation, and make sure it says it works with Gmail. Once you've decided on a method, it's time to connect your contact list. If you're working with Google Sheets, create a spreadsheet with a column for email addresses and then any extra information you want to personalize, like first name, company, or role. Each row will be one person. Double check for spelling mistakes in email addresses and remove duplicates to avoid sending the same email more than once. If you're using an add-on, you'll typically be asked to select or upload your contact list and then confirm which column is the email field and which columns are the personal details you want to merge. Now you're ready to compose your message. Go back into Gmail and create a new email draft. Write your subject line clearly so people understand why they're receiving your message. In the body of the email, write the main content you want everyone to see. Whenever you want to personalize something, such as greeting people by their first name, you'll insert merge fields that match the column names from your contact list. For example, instead of just saying hi, you might say hi followed by the merge field for first name. The exact format of these fields depends on the tool you're using, but the idea is always the same. The tool will replace those placeholders with real information from your spreadsheet when the emails are sent. Take a moment to read through your draft as if you were one of your recipients. Make sure the message still makes sense, even if some fields are blank, and keep the tone consistent and clear. When everything looks good, you're ready to send to multiple recipients. Most mail merge tools give you an option to preview a few emails before sending. Use that preview to confirm that names and other details are appearing correctly. If your tool allows it, send a test email to yourself first to see exactly what it will look like in someone's inbox. Finally, start the mail merge and let the system send out the emails on your behalf. Depending on how many recipients you have, this might take a few moments. Afterward, you can check your sent folder to confirm that each person received an individual personalized email instead of being part of a big group message.